Hi, today I'm for the ALCATEL 3T10 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first, let's open notification panel shortcuts, and if you want to add here some options or remove some of them or just to change their positions, click to this plus icon, then scroll down and you'll see here this just down section with invisible options. Just for example, to add eye comfort mode, you should hold it and just drag it here to this up section. By the same way, we can add here all of these options. If you want to remove some of the options, just by the same hold it and drag it to this down section. And to set the same situation with the position changing, just hold the icon and just drag it. After that, tap here to OK to save all of the changes, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.